Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add profile picture on Textme. So let's get started. First, open your Textme application. Tap on the Me option, which is at the bottom right. Select My Account option. Now tap on the camera icon. And then tap on Change Picture option. Now select any one of the picture that you'd like to add on your profile. And this is how you can add profile picture on Textme. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.